Whatever the fuck. What the hell? Huh. Hopefully I got them little guys. Don't know what the hell them are. There's another video with another talking of the town. Oh man. Oh, today, boy, was a fucking day where I just felt like, give me something else, some Limp Biscuit. Give me something to break. Yeah, get the motherfucking chainsaw. Skin your ass raw. Oh man. I don't know, things are going and then things are not going, and I'm freaking caught up in a spiral of twisters. I like them things. Other than that, I thought I'd come out here tonight. I had a video up trying to download the other day. When the goddamn thing disappeared on me. It won't upload, it don't come out. And it was on strange noises of the animals. Things are, but I went to college and I got some other stuff out there. But the video, like I said, photos. I'm gonna try and get that loaded up, but Jesus Christ, I thought I got a woodpecker that sounded like he was on steroids. And he was knocking loud. I don't know. I don't know what the hell that was. I gotta see if I can find that goddamn video and post it. I'm seeing if I caught it. But I ain't never heard these little things perking in the friggin' trees over here. As long as I live in Meadowbrook Village, which I'll soon be leaving. And I don't hear them no more. What the hell, where they went? I know, oh, there they are. I know one night I came out here, I heard a couple of them, they were down in the sun, friggin' following me. I figured I'd get the camera out and record them. Other than that, these noises, strange things, and demented thoughts I've been having. Oh man. Got 4 weeks for a big huge move. I need to get this shit done. Walling I have to do. That's gonna be a mess. I do not like doing grout. I'm trying to find an alternative and every which way but loose I keep turning. Right turn, Clyde. I'd like to take a right turn, Clyde, and punch the fucking goddamn shit out of a wall and bash it in and smash it, because it's just not going right. Oh man. Anyways, Pug's looking at something out there in the woods. He sees something. The strange things going on. Trying to keep my mind focused. Here's the buzzing thing. Whatever the fuck them. What the hell you see, Pug? It's out there, Pug. You hear little critters that meep. Branches breaking. It wasn't the dog. He definitely sees something. What we got down here, Ted? See something down there, Ted? Crawling around there, Buck? Anybody see something at night would be this little bastard. Wish I had dog eyes. I can see down there. I don't see nothing shooting around. I see hearing them buzzing things. I don't know what the fuck them are. I never heard them before. Especially when it ain't springtime. I mean, it is springtime, but still cool out. And things are still started coming out a couple nights ago. I don't know. Always adventure with me. I don't see nothing down there. Pug saw something down there. I think I like dogs, man, and cats. They see the night. Ah, great. Battery on low. I thought I'd throw out there, and I wanted to get them noises and the trees on video, so looks like I gotta go shut the phone down. I'm gonna get the noise on videos like this. So till that video, I gotta find my other noises I got. But until that next video, YouTube, be safe, take care. I don't know what that dog saw, but something was over there besides them beep, beep, whatever them things are. If anybody knows, let me know. Other than that, be safe, take care before I phone. Come out here in the darkness. Love it. Even the moon is shining tonight. I don't know what is out there. Wish I had more battery life. Damn it. Alright. Bore everybody to death. I don't want to do that. Out.